Welcome to the Pipe by Meister. We're going to do 5 rapid button clicks to turn the unit on or off. And we're going to charge this using USB-C. The display will show you the percentage of battery left. Now what we're going to do is detach and add a cartridge into here. This detaches and attaches with a quarter turn. This unit is made for 1 gram cartridges, but you can also hit any size cart if you leave the mouthpiece off. Now we're going to do 3 button presses to change through the temperature settings, and we can do a rapid double click to enter a preheat mode. Press again to end the preheat. You can also just go with puff activation. Puffing on the unit will act the same as pressing physically on the button. Now to clean it, we're just going to rub over it with a wipe and some alcohol. You're good to go with your pipe. Enjoy your product.